Hello friends, this is Praveen Pawar. In this video, we will discuss the question paper of UGCNET July 2016. This is paper 1. In this video, we will discuss from question number 31 to 60. For question number 1 to 30, please go to my another video and its link is given in the description. So here we start. Question number 31. Consider the following statement and select the correct code stating the nature of the argument involved in it. To suppose that the Earth is the only populated world in the infinite space is as absurd as to assert that in an entire field of millet only one grain will grow. So here easily you can observe that there is analogy the earth with the grain and it is as absurd with to assert respectively. So there this statement is an analogical statement. So option 4 is the correct option. Question number 32. Select the code which is not correct about Venn diagram. Venn diagram represents propositions as well as classes is correct. It can provide clear method of notation is also correct. It can be either valid or invalid. This is not correct. So our option would be third one. It can provide the direct method of testing the validity. This is also correct. So correct option is third one. This 32 question. Select the code which is not correct in the context of deductive argument with two premises. An argument with one true premise, one false premise, and a false conclusion may be valid. An argument with two true premises and a false conclusion may be valid. So it's talking about the deductive argument, two premises. So second one is the correct option for this. Question number 34. Given below are two premises and four conclusions are drawn from them, taking singly or together. Select the code that states the conclusions validly drawn. So here to explain this, I'd like to draw a Venn diagram. All religious persons are emotional. So if I draw this as a religious person and all religious persons are emotional. Ram is a religious person. So here is Ram, which is a religious person. So there is a conclusion. Ram is emotional. This is true. All emotional persons are religious. So this is not true according to Venn diagram. Ram is not a non-religious person. This is also true. Some religious persons are not emotional. Some religious persons are not. Here all religious persons are emotional. So this is also correct statement. A and C only are correct. So third one is the correct option. Now next is there is a table shows the percentage profit earned by two companies A and B during the years 11 to 15. Answer questions 35 to 37 based on the data contained in the table. So there is percentage profit is given for two companies A and B respectively for 11 to 15 years. And formula is also given to calculate the profit income minus expenditure upon expenditure into 100. So we'll go to the first question. Question number 35. If the total expenditure of the two companies was rupees 9 lakh in the year 2012 and the expenditure of A and B were in the ratio 2:1, then what was the income of the company A in the year? So from the first statement, let expenditure of two companies, that is company expenditure of company A and company B, total expenditure is given 9 lakh and also expenditure of A, the ratio of A with B is 2:1. So from here it is clear that EA is equal to 2 EB, and on putting this in the above equation easily you can get 3 EB is equal to 9, means EB is equal to 3. On putting EB is equal to 3 in this equation, and you can calculate EA is equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6. Now, what was the income of the company A in the year? So let income of company A is IA minus EA expenditure. We have calculated it is 6 upon expenditure of company is 6 into 100, and this profit percentage is given here for the year 2012 is 35, so is equal to 35. Now on solving this equation, there is a single variable IA, easily we can calculate IA, and it comes IA comes approximately, it comes 8.1 lakh. So second one is the correct option. Next question is question number 36. What is the average percentage profit earned by the company B? So here is profit for company B is given here. So we will summarize all these profit and divide it by 5. So it will be the summation of profit would be 190 and divided by 5 it would be 38%. So now correct option is third one. In which year the percentage profit earned by the company B is less than that of company A? So from the table you can easily observe that here profit is increasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, increasing. So here only in 2013 the profit of company B is less than the profit of company A. So our correct option is 2013. Option 2 is the correct one. This was very pretty. Now the following table shows the number of people in different age groups who responded to a survey about their favorite style of music. Use this information to answer the questions that follow to the nearest whole percentage. So his table is given. We'll solve the question number 38. Approximately what percentage of the total sample were aged 21 to 30? So to solve this problem, we need to calculate the sum of each column. So sum of first column will come is 33, and from the second column it will come again 33, and from the third column it will come 68. So the question was percentage of total sample where is 2130, and total of this is 134. So first this 38 can be calculated as 33 divided by 134 into 100%, which comes approximate 25%. So third one is the correct option. Question number 39. Approximately what percentage of total sample indicates that hip hop is their favorite style of music? It is asking for hip hop only. So it is 9 plus 3 plus 4, which is 16, and 16 divided by total 134 into 100%, and it will come approximately 12%. So its correct option is fourth one. What percentage of respondents aged 31 plus indicated a favorite style other than classical music? So here in the third column total is 68. So out of 68 means 68 minus the classical have 70 here. So 68 minus 70 upon total, which is 68 into 100%. So easily we can get this percentage, and it will come approximate, it will come 75%. So our option is third one is the correct option. Question number 41. The statement, the study, design, development, implementation, support or management of computer-based information systems, particularly software applications and computer hardware, refers to. So it was simple question. Option is information technology. Right? First one is the correct option. If the binary equivalent of the decimal number 48 is 110000, then the binary equivalent of the decimal number 51 is given by. So this question is nothing but a decimal to binary conversion. So here first 48, I will check 48 for. Here I will give you method how to calculate the binary number from decimal. So take LCM of 48, 2, 4, and write reminder here. It will be 0, again 12, it would be 0, 6, it would be 0, 3, it would be 0, and 2 1 is 2, and remainder will be 1. And now we will read this number from bottom to top. 110000. It will give us the binary number 110000. Similarly, we can calculate the binary of 51. So first divided by 2, so here it would be 25, and remainder would be 1, again 12, remainder would be 1, 12, it would be 0, 3, it would be 0, 1, and 1. So again we will read from bottom to top, and our binary number will be 110011. 110011. First one is the correct option. The process of copying files to a CD-ROM is known as, we call it burn the CD. So burning. First one is the correct option. An unsolicited email message sent to many recipients at once is a like a spam. So fourth one is the correct option of this question. Now question number 45 is the type of memory circuitry that holds the computer's startup. Its correct option is ROM, read-only memory. It stores the system files and used while booting the system. An ASCII is a character encoding scheme that is employed by personal computers in order to represent various characters, numbers, and control keys that the computer user selects on the keyboard. ASCII is an acronym for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this is the correct option for this question. Now question number 47. Identify the air pollutant in urban areas which irritates eyes and also respiratory tract of human beings. Particulate matter, oxides of nitrogen, surface ozone, carbon monoxide. So its the correct option is surface ozone. Which of the following is the largest source of water pollution in major rivers of India? Untreated sewage, agriculture runoff, unregulated small-scale industries, religious practices. Its correct option is untreated sewage. This one is the correct. Sustainable development goals have specific targets to be achieved by. So to correct option is second 2030. Now Indian government target of producing power from biomass by the 2022 is. So none of the options make the correct answer. So I'd like to tell you one thing, that according to Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, the government plan to produce 100 gigawatt from solar power and 60 gigawatt from wind power, and 10 gigawatt from biomass. biomass. So here none of the options are correct one. If this is gigawatt on the place of megawatt, then it would be the correct option. Question number 51. Conserving our soil resources is critical to human survival. The reason is that soil is home to many microorganisms and contains minerals. Choose the correct code. So here both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So its correct option would be second one. World Meteorological Organization's WMO objective has been to reduce the number of deaths due to hydrometeorological disasters over the decade 2010 to 19, but with reference to the decade 94 to 3. So its correct option is second one, 50%. Now next question is 53. Which of the following core values among the institutions of higher education are promoted by the NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council? A. Contributing to national development. This is correct. Fostering global competencies among the students. This is also true. Inculcating a value system among students and teachers. This is also correct. Promoting the optimum utilization of the infrastructure. This is not included. So A, B, and C are correct. The second one is the correct option. Now question number 54. The best way for providing value education is through discussions on scriptural texts, lectures, discourses on values, seminars, symposia on values, mentoring, and reflective sessions on the values. So fourth one is the correct option. The National Judicial Appointments Commission (NJAC) has been declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court of India. So first one is the correct answer. Now question number 56. Which of the following statements about the Indian political system are correct? The president is both head of the state and head of the government. So this is not true. Parliament is supreme. This is also not true. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. This statement is correct. The derivative principles of the state policy are justiciable. This is also not. So C only the correct. Fourth one is the correct answer. Now question number 57. Which of the following are the fundamental duties? To represent the national flag. This is correct. To protect and improve the natural environment. This is also correct. For a parent to provide opportunities for education to his or her child. This is also correct. To protect monuments and places of national importance. So this does not come under fundamental duties. So A, B, and C are the correct option. First one is the correct answer. Now question number 58. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of Niti Aayog? It is a constitutional body. It is a statutory body. It is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. It is a think tank. So its correct option would be C and D also. So it matches in the third option. So third is the correct answer. Now question number 59. A college level assistant professor has planned his or her lectures with an intent to develop cognitive dimensions of students centered on skills of analysis and synthesis. Below given are two sets of items. Set first consisting of levels of cognitive interchange and set 2 comprising basis requirements for promoting them. Match the two sets and indicate your answer by choosing the correct alternative from the code. So here the memory level, it would be matched with this recording the important points made during the presentations. Understanding level, It will match with this, giving opportunity for discriminating examples and non-examples of a point and reflective level. So it would be matched with this, critically analyzing the points to be made and discussed. So our correct sequence would be 2, 1 and 4. Third one is the correct answer. Now question number 60, the last question. Which set of learner characteristics may be considered helpful in designing effective teaching learning systems? Select the correct alternative from the quotes given below. Prior experience of learners in respect of the subject, interpersonal relationships of learners, family, friends. So here this is correct, this is not correct statement. Ability of the learners in respect of the subject, this is also correct. Students language background, it will also include. Interest of students in following the prescribed dress code, this is not correct. Motivational orientation of the students, this is also correct. So correct option is 1 3 4 6. 1 3 4 6. Second one is the correct option. So that's all about for this video. Here we have completed the paper 1 of UGC-NET July 2016 exam. So that's all about for this video. For rest of the questions, please go to my next video and its link is given in the description. Thanks for your kind attention. Your all suggestions are most welcome. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Praveen25488. All the best friends.